subscribe the channel. Hello and welcome to English class. Dear students, you have heard English words and you are familiar with English script. You also have seen banners and billboards in English. In the street, we are going to spot the English words in your surroundings. Bank, bank, bank. ATM, ATM stands for Automated Teller Machine. ATM. OIL, OIL stands for Oil India Limited. OIL. Petrol pump, petrol pump, petrol pump. School, school, school. School van, school van, school van. Shop, shop, shop. Mobile shop, mobile shop, mobile shop. Police station, police station, police station. Hospital, hospital, hospital. I hope that you can easily read and spot the English words. Thank you.